In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Card. Buttons are the calls to action that guide visitors to do something specific, like contact you, read more, or make a purchase. We'll walk through adding one to your card site, giving it a clear label, styling it so it stands out, and previewing it to make sure it behaves the way you expect. First, open your card editor. Head over to card.co, log into your account, and open the site you want to edit. This brings you into the visual editor where you can make changes in real time. Take a moment to think about where your button will live and what you want it to do. Keeping that intent in mind will help you design a button that feels natural in your layout. Next, add a button element. On the left side of the editor, click the plus Add Element button and choose Button from the list. Card will place a button placeholder onto your page. You'll see it appear right away, usually centered in the container you're working in. You can leave it where it is for now. We'll focus on getting the text and styling right. Then you can adjust its position later if needed. Now, set the button label. Click the button you just added to open its settings panel. In the field for the label, type a short, action-oriented phrase like contact or buy now. Keep it concise and clear so visitors immediately understand what happens when they click. If your button supports a longer phrase, aim for something direct and scannable, such as get a quote or see pricing. While you're in the button settings, customize the style. Open the appearance or style options to adjust colors, shape, size, and font. Choose colors with strong contrast so the text is easy to read against the background. Rounded or squared corners, both work. Pick what matches your site's look. Size the button large enough to be tappable on mobile without overwhelming the layout. For fonts, stay consistent with your site's typography to maintain a cohesive feel. If your background is busy, consider a solid fill or subtle shadow to improve visibility. When you're ready, preview your site. Click View Site at the top to open a live preview. Interact with the page as a visitor would and click your button to make sure it behaves as expected. If you've already linked it to a destination, confirm it routes correctly. Check spacing and readability and ensure the button still stands out without distracting from the rest of your content. That's it. Your card button is in place, labeled clearly, styled to fit your brand, and verified in preview.